I know. Oh, oh, what else? And what else? When those doggies come, do they lick your face? Huh? Oh, do they lick your face? Now he's going to stop again because the camera's on. Evan, let's look at Papa. Huh? What happens when the doggies come? Do the doggies lick your face? Huh? Do those doggies lick your face? Oh, yes. Oh. Oh. Do they lick your face? Yes, they do. Oh. 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 And they lick it. Oh, really? And what else? And your ears? Yes. And your little head? Oh. 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 Is that right? Oh. Ah. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, boy.
Hi, Evan.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Are you ready to eat now?
Maybe. Hi. My two most favorite people in the whole world.
Okay, Daddy, I gotta eat.
Okay.
Peace, check you later. I'm signing out.